Good morning, all. Welcome back to AyaansEasyMath. The question is given, evaluate the sum sigma k equal to 1 to infinity 6k over 3 power k minus 2 power k bracket 3 to the power of k plus 1 minus 2 to the power of k plus 1. It is given in Putnam mathematical competition 1984. So here we'll like this Olympiad logical and critical problems will be uploaded from this channel. Those who are new, subscribe the channel so that you can get the latest update. Your subscription is very, very important. So here pause the video for 10 seconds and think about this problem. Can you solve this problem or not? If not, you can continue the video. So minimum like the video. So here you are trying this problem by using partial fractions. By using partial fractions, you will complete this problem. So here 6 power k by 3 to the power of k minus 2 to the power of k into 3 to the power of k plus 1 minus 2 to the power of k plus 1. So this can be written as a by 3 to the power of k minus 2 to the power of k minus b by 3 to the power of k plus 1 minus 2 to the power of k plus 1. So here if you take the LCM, what will get here? 3 to the power of k plus 1 minus 2 to the power of k plus 1 into a minus 3 power k minus 2 to the power of k into b here we'll get 6k. Denominators both get cancelled. So here if you multiply 6k is equal to 3 to the power of k plus 1 into a minus 2 to the power of k plus 1 into a minus 3 to the power of k into b minus into minus plus 2 to the power of k into b. So here this can be written as 3 to the power of 6 to the power of k. Here I wrote mistake. 6 to the power of k. So here this can be written as 3 to the power of k into 2 to the power of k. So 3 to the power of k plus 1 into a minus 2 to the power of k plus 1 into a minus 3 to the power of k into b plus 2 to the power of k into b. Now here if you take so 3 to the power of k, if you take common 3 to the power of k, if you take common, here you will write 6k only. 3 to the power of k, if you take common here, 3 to the power of k. Here if you take common 3 to the power of k, 3a minus b is equal to 6k. The remaining part, if you take minus 2k common, here you will getting 2a minus b is equal to 0. Or if you take the second case, 3 power k into 3a minus b is equal to 0, or you can write 2k into 2a minus b is equal to 0, minus 2k into. So here if you take this value here what will get 3a minus b will be 2 power k. 3k will get cancelled, will get 2 power k. Now 2a minus b is 0. So if you subtract this, change the symbols. So here will get b get cancelled. A is equal to 2 power k. Now in this case here you'll get 3a minus b is equal to 0, and 2a minus b is here 6k is equal to minus 3k. So here what you'll get here, so a will be equal to, if you subtract this minus here plus here minus plus, you'll get a will be equal to 3k. So here 2 into 2k minus b is equal to 0. 2 to the power of k plus 1 minus b equal to 0. B is equal to 2 power k plus 1. Here if you take a is equal to 3k, substitute 3 into 3 to the power of k minus b is equal to 0. B is equal to 3 to the power of k plus 1. So if you substitute this in original equation, so 6 power k by 3 power k minus 2 power k into 3 to the power of k plus 1 minus 2 to the power of k plus 1 is equal to, so here you'll get 2 by 3 minus 2 minus limit extends to infinity, sorry, k tends to infinity, 2 to the power of k plus 1 by 3 to the power of k plus 1 minus 2 to the power of k plus 1 will be equal to 2. So the value is 2. So I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad.